Hey guys, it's me. It's March the 8th at 9:14 p.m. 2024. You guys probably saw a video with one of these engines like a way while ago. But I'm actually doing a special video on them. You guys are familiar with the movie Unstoppable, with Denzel Washington with the runaway train. Well, a while back I had the urge to actually make my own. And the reason why I did that is because the locomotives that were in the movie, were pretty cool and I liked them. But I wanted to do locomotives that could have been on the roster of the Allegheny West Virginia Railroad, but were actually never in the movie. Um, so I picked two Red Box Atlas Jeep 40s and I heavily rebuilt them. So the first unit I did was the 580. The 580 is actually ex-Southern Pacific number 7122. Externally, it's still a Jeep 40, but internally, it's been rebuilt to a Jeep 40-2. Um, the decals are from Circuit City decals, and these would have been from um, the SD40-2 decal set that is for the Allegheny West Virginia Railroad. I used Tamiya paints. I forget what gray that I used for this, but I used Tamiya paints, powders, and yeah, pretty much weathered the unit. The only thing that's still original is the frame sill. That's the original paint. The trucks, the fuel tank, that's all original SP. But everything else has been completely painted. The number board, or the numbers for the decals, are from microscale for the Seaboard Coastline. Um, and both units are different. So this one here, I actually had to do all the handrails on the sides of the unit, and I had to bend these. The stanchions are from A-Line, but yeah, I did these all by hand. The front ones here, these are still the plastic ones from Atlas, and if they're not broke, I'm not going to replace them. The Atlas red box units come with MU cables and air hoses already attached. And as you can see, I really weathered these units to make them look like they've been, well worn, just like the units in the movie. I actually just got finished installing sound and DCC into both of these units. These are the decoders that I used, and I used these speakers. I always use these speakers. But yeah, this is the first unit. I actually painted the nose yellow and the back yellow. I was able to get the chevrons on the front of this unit, but I couldn't get them on the back, so I just left them alone. The second unit here, which is pretty cool, it's still numbered in its Rio Grande number, which is 3059. And as you can see, it still says Denver and Rio Grande as a sublettering. So that's the original paint on down. On up, it's all Tamiya paint. Now I wanted it to be a little bit different, so it wasn't really working out with the yellow on this one, so I just put the chevrons on it without it. And as you can see, I reversed them, so the chevrons are going up this way, and the point's going up that way. So they're different in that regard. Just like the 580, the 3059 externally is a Jeep 40, but internally is a Jeep 40-2. Now there's two differences between the two. This one has a 16-cylinder 645 F prime mover, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, yeah, 16-cylinder 645 F. This one has a 12-cylinder 645 E prime mover. So they both sound different, and they have different prime movers. And I did that on purpose because I wanted them to be different. So, but I'm going to put these on the track for you guys to see because it was a really fun project actually building these locomotives, and I'm kind of getting the urge to build a third one, and I'm kind of thinking about doing a high hood, maybe a Jeep 35 high hood, maybe. Who knows? But I'm gonna put these on the track so you guys can see them in operation. This one actually has lights, so whoever did the DCC conversion in this one prior to me, they made the lights DCC, you know, ready, because I just swapped the decoder out of this one and put the sound decoder in it. This one, I couldn't get those to work, so this unit will be the trailing unit because it doesn't have any lights. But other than that, it's been my goal to get these two running. There's one little quirk with the 3058. The railing here is actually had broken off the unit, and I wanted to get some type of like caution tape to put up here, or I was gonna get a piece of wire and bend it to make like a separate railing. But then I just said, you know what, just leave it alone, because it's the Allegheny, West Virginia Railroad. They have some beat up units that, have stuff falling off them anyway. You know, just keep that theme going. So yeah, I'm gonna put these guys on the track for you. I'm gonna start them up. We're gonna do a run, and then that'll conclude this video. The next video should be on this here, which I'll be getting to that, but let's check these out first.